We had a lot of strong storms rolling through Georgia on Saturday, but some places got hit really hard. In fact, we saw a ton of photos and videos coming in from North Georgia of flooded roads and washed out roads. In fact, take a look at this video. This was in White County, which is in Cleveland, Georgia, in the North Georgia mountains, in case you're not familiar. And you can see a lot of cars choosing to drive through floodwaters. This is actually an example of what you do not want to do if you come across a flooded road. You want to turn around and don't drown. That's how you remember it. Do not drive through flooded waters. You never know if your car could get stalled. That puts yourself and first responders at risk when you do this. So it's very important to remember, turn around, don't drown. Never drive through flooded waters. You don't want to be the reason why your car gets swept away and people have to come and rescue you during a flood.